Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be continuing the bike review series with the Continental Cross King tires as an upgrade to the Altera tires that came on the GT Aggressor as the stock tires. And these are the ones right now. As you can see, they don't have a very aggressive tread pattern. They're very heavy and they are very narrow. So the upgrade of the tire is one of the most impactful upgrades to make on this bike. Any high-quality folding tire will have a dramatic improvement. The Continental Cross Kings are a wider tire at around 2.3 inches in width, but still manage to be 300 grams less than the Altera tires. The tread is good for cross-country riding, light downhill, and moderately muddy conditions, but mainly hard-packed, dry cross-country dirt. These tires are also faster rolling than the Altera tires because they grip into the ground a lot more. The Cross Kings are also tubeless ready, but the rims, the Altera rims we have on the bike right now are not. So that'll be a future upgrade possibly. Absolutely every element of this upgrade was a huge improvement, and if you were thinking about getting a decent set of tires for your Aggressor Pro, you should just do it. The price is absolutely worth it in my opinion.